ATAL Tunnel, also known as ROHTANG Tunnel, is a highway tunnel built under the ROHTANG Pass in the eastern Pir Panjal range of the Himalayas on the Leh-Manali Highway in Himachal Pradesh in India. With a length of 9.02 kilometers, 5.6 miles length. It is the longest tunnel above 10,000 feet in the world and is named after former Indian Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The nearest in comparison to the ROHTANG Tunnel is the Anzob Tunnel in Tajikistan, length 5 kilometers with an altitude of 11,063 feet. Thalang Tunnel in the Hindu Kush Mountains in Afghanistan, altitude of 3,400 meters, and the Eisenhower Johnson Memorial Tunnel in the United States, length 2.73 kilometers, 1.7 miles with an altitude 11,158 feet. The tunnel reduced the distance between Manali and Leh by 46 kilometers, 28.6 miles, and reduced the travel time by 4 to 5 hours without any threat of road blockade or avalanche. The 117 kilometers distance from Manali to the south of the pass to Keelong on the north side of ROHTANG Pass via Gramfu is usually covered by vehicles in about 5 to 6 hours. Without counting the long hours of traffic jams on the hilly route. The same journey is much easier now as Manali to the south portal of the tunnel is 24.4 km. Approximately 50 minutes. The tunnel is at an elevation of 3,100 meters, 10,171 feet, whereas the ROHTANG Pass is at an elevation of 3,978 meters, 13,051 feet. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 3rd of October 2020. The approximate cost of this project is 3,200 crore Indian rupees, approximately US $438 millions. In 2000, the project was estimated to cost 5 billion rupees and be completed in 7 years, on the 26th of May 2002. The Border Roads Organization, BRO, a tri-service organization of the Defense Ministry specializing in road and bridge construction in difficult terrains. The approach road to the tunnel entrance was inaugurated by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. However, the project did not move beyond the tree felling stage by May 2003. By December 2004, the cost estimate had grown to 9 billion rupees. In May 2007, the government of Dr. Manmohan Singh awarded the contract to Snowy Mountains Engineering Corporation International Private Limited, an Australian company, and the completion date was revised to 2014. However, there was no progress for the next 3 years. Until May 2010, the ROHTANG Tunnel has been planned to ensure an all-seasons, all-weather road route to strategically important areas of Ladakh and the remote Lahaul-Spiti Valley. However, the tunnel will provide this connectivity only up to Darcha, north of Keelong in the Lahaul region of Himachal Pradesh. Connectivity to Ladakh will require more tunnels, either at Shakunla or at the passes located on the present Leh-Manali road. Challenges faced. The most challenging task was to continue the excavation during heavy snowfall in winter. Excavation for tunneling was done from both ends. However, as ROHTANG Pass closes during the winter, the north portal was not accessible during winter and the excavation was being done only from the south portal in winters. Only about 1/4 of the entire tunnel was excavated from the north end and 3/4 was excavated from the south end. There were more than 46 avalanche sites on approaches to the tunnel. Other challenges to the progress of the tunnel included difficulties in disposing more than 800,000 cubic meters of excavated rock and soil, heavy ingress of water, as much as 3 million liters per day in June 2012, that required constant dewatering. Costlier treatment and slowed the progress of excavation from 5 meter per day to just half a meter a day, and unstable rocks that slowed blasting and digging. 34. A cloudburst and flash flood on the 8th of August 2003 killed 42 laborers who were building the temporary access road. Questions were also raised on the impact of cutting down more than 700 trees on the ecology. A 2.25 meters high and 3.6 meters wide emergency tunnel will be integrated in the tunnel cross-section beneath the main carriageway for evacuation during emergencies. The latest Austrian tunneling method and ventilation system, semi-transverse type considered as safest, is adopted for this project. Highlights of the construction. The total length of tunnel is 9.02 kilometers. The foundation stone of the project was laid on June 28, 2010 by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi in her capacity as the chairperson of National Advisory Council. As of June 2012, 2 years after the start of the project, 3.5 kilometers of the tunnel digging had been completed. Only a little progress was made in the next 1 year due to heavy ingress of water at Serinalla fault zone. That required constant dewatering and slowed the digging and blasting to a crawl. As of October 2013, a little more than 4 kilometers of the tunnel had been dug. However, about 30 meters portion of the roof of the tunnel collapsed towards the north portal on the 17th of October 2013 and the digging had to be stopped. As of September 2014, 4.4 kilometers of the tunnel, i.e., half of 8.8 kilometers planned length had been dug. As of December 2016, 7.6 kilometers of the tunnel digging had been completed. Excavation was expected to be completed in 2017, with opening in the second half of 2019. As of the 3rd of September 2017, 276 meters of the tunnel digging work remained. Tunnel to be opened for emergency services like ambulance to be opened by winters. As on the 13th of October 2017 both ends of the tunnel met. The Defense Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, visited the site on the 15th of October 2017. As on the 22nd of November 2017, it was decided to allow patients to be carried through the under-construction tunnel only in the gravest of emergency when the helicopter service was not available and not to allow civilians to enter the tunnel before completion due to risks of falling rocks. Lack of oxygen in the tunnel as ventilation system was yet to be installed, etc., and likely interruption in construction work due to presence of civilians. On September 2018 the tunnel was used for evacuation of people stranded in Lahaul. After sudden spell of bad weather blocked ROHTANG due to snowfall. On January 2019, 90% work was completed. October 2019, 100 meters work yet to be finished. To be opened for emergency traffic by October 2019 end. To be opened for general traffic by September 2020. November 2019, bus service trial started through the yet incomplete tunnel on the 17th of November 2019. A Himachal Road Transport Corporation bus carrying 44 passengers entered tunnel from the south portal and the passengers alighted at the north portal. The bus service operated for next 5 winter months for residents of Lahaul and Spiti valleys. Private vehicles were not allowed through the tunnel. December 2019, on 25th of December the tunnel, which was known as ROHTANG Tunnel till then, was officially renamed as the ATAL Tunnel. September 2020, 100% completion of project. October 2020, the tunnel was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.